With the growing cost of operations, more tertiary schools filed petition to the Commission on Higher Education to increase tuition fees effective the opening of classes. Io Galvez will tell us more.
An estimated 6 to 7% increase in tuition and other school fees might be granted for approved higher education institutions, or HEIS. This is according to Commission on Education Executive Director Julito Vitriolo. In an earlier report, 353 universities had filed petitions to CHED for tuition hike. Vitriolo pointed out, however, that all applications are still under evaluation to carefully examine if requested increase complies with the rules, regulations, and process of CHED.
Ang estimate namin taong ito, 15% of the total HEIs nationwide ay humihingi ng pagtataas ng tuition fee and other school fees.
In an interview, Vitriolo shared important factors that CHED considers to approve petitions.
Pag meron na silang certification na talagang nakapaglunsad sila ng konsultasyon, makapag-apply sila sa tanggapan namin at kailangan ipakita nila kung saan nila gagamitin yung napipintong pagtataas ng kanilang matrikula or tuition.
Meanwhile, CHED is expected to release lists of colleges and universities approved and disapproved to increase tuition fees before the month.
Ang target namin within the month, no? Baka in the middle next week, baka meron na tayong consolidated matrix kung saan makikita natin kung sino yung napayagang mag-increase at yung hindi napayagan.
This is Io Galvez for News at 1, Junior Edition.